My babies, my sweetie pies, hey ho, what's up? And guess what? Grandma's kind of hungry. And the Spanish half of her is very interested in the sign right here. Yes, indeed. We are at La Fogata. La Fogata. Yes, this is a brand new restaurant. Miss Fab, do you have permission to film in here? Why, yes I do. I just cleared it with the management. So let's go on in here. Have ourselves a sit down and check out the menu, shall we? All right. Okay. You know what I love, number one? I love the music. Yes, I do. And seeing as I got in and got permission, I already have my traditional water with lime. And we are going to take a look at the menu. Be patient with Granny. Yes, we're doing it the old school way. Now, we're going to turn this around and I'm going to let you see the menu, okay? Let you see the menu, all right? All right. As you can see, it is La Fogata Restaurant and Bar. I will not be participating in the bar portion, of course. But here are your appetizers. Oh my gosh. Empanadas. Fogata Colombiana. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh my goodness. So you have your appetizers, your salads, sandwiches, soups, side orders, the house specials, the steaks. And do I love the music in here? Yes, I do. And there is your lunch. You have your seafood, pork, mushrooms, and cream, and chicken. Of course, your beverages, and the kiddie menu. And to read while you wait, you have Acento Latinas. Sí, señores, sí, señoritas. So anyways, I'm going to be ordering in just a moment, and I'll show you my food, and we'll take it from there, all right? All right, I'll see you in just one moment. All right, I'd like to try the La Fogata platter, please. All right, thank you. All right, folks, I ordered something pretty huge. I'm probably eating it for 3 days, but I want to give you an idea of the flavor of what they offer here. This is a very nice looking restaurant. Unfortunately, we have a lot of patrons in here, and you know. Oh, I know what I can do. I'll show you something. Just to give you an idea of how nicely this place is decorated. Isn't this cool? Let me get some close-ups here. Oh, that's kind of too close. But yeah, it's very, very cool. Let's see if I can give you a nice little panoramic very carefully. Yes, this has been decorated quite nicely. And of course you have your nice flat screen TV and your seating. Also outside, and just show you very briefly the outdoor seating. Well, yes, you can come and bring your family and be seated right outside. There's the street, and there's the seating. So we're going to go back in here. All right. So anyway, you guys, I will be right back once my food arrives, okay? All right. All right, you guys, this is the La Fogata platter. It comes with a fried plantain, which is a banana that is smashed and fried. You get your sausage, your white rice, Yes, that is a fried egg you're looking at. That's very traditional. This is the regular banana that is, I told you before, it's soft. When you fry a banana, it becomes very soft and very, very sweet. It comes with your house salad, which comes with spinach, lettuce, and tomato. You also get a pinto bean soup and two sauces. This is a very hot and spicy sauce along with your mild sauce. And if you're wondering about the eggs and the rice and the fried bananas, when you're coming up kind of poor, that's sort of a traditional meal when you don't have a lot of money. So you have your banana, you got the rice and the egg together, which brings me back to the Franklin Street of Projects where I grew up. My mother would prepare this all the time for breakfast. Your fried plantain. This is your fried plantain. That's what it looks like, and it is crispy and oh so good. But the next, and your sausage, which because I'm one-handed, will taste really, really good. And over to your soup. Give that a try. Oh my gosh. I am seeing my mother and myself sitting down at the little dinette table. Brings back a lot of good memories. The food here at La Fogata is excellent. They prepared it perfectly, in my opinion. All right, I will be right back. I just want to show you just some of the ways. Well, there's your sign, but I want to show you some of the decorative things that they have here. As this very kind young lady has pointed out to me. Isn't that cool? Colombia! Yes, indeed. We're just going to go around here very carefully. Some of the ways that they have this place decorated, this is just so awesome. And they're so kind enough to allow me to the back here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is just so uber cool. Yes. And this is considered to be a Colombian restaurant, but some of the foods are similar to some of the Puerto Rican foods that I am so used to growing up with my mother cooking. And I will tell you, this dining experience has been a very good one. I would give it 3 thumbs up and a possible 3 thumbs up. But yeah, here's some of the traditional folks and their native clothing to give you a flair and an idea. Yes, indeed. All right, you guys, we're going to head out now, okay? And it's been a great experience. I like this place. Just think, you never know what's around the corner and near you. Just gathering my belongings here, my to-go box. All right, you guys. Let's head on now. Thank you. All right, bye. All right, can we do it? One of these days, I will get this correct. That was a grand experience. The food is excellent. La Fogata. Isn't that amazing how you can pass by a place all the time and not think twice about it? But this is my staycation. You know, the staycation is when you stay home instead of going on a cruise or what have you. Anywho, let's continue on our little walk. It is a grand day. The humidity is kind of high. It is Monday, yes. Grandma's got a vacation day. And I have enough food, because I ordered the large platter. I've got enough food to last me about 3 days. Sincerely, 3 days. Grandma worked pretty hard to shrink her tummy down. She's got no intention of growing it back. You know, you can, it's difficult to do, but I know you can do it. I mean, if that's something you're interested in, is that portion control when you eat. Little by little, the portions being made smaller and smaller. And once you get to a quote-unquote normal portion, right, stick to that and stay with that. And your tummy will soon realize who is the boss, and you will not be able to fit as much food as you did before you started. So yes. Oh my gosh, that was tough. That was tough for me to do. You know why? Doing it in my own strength. I am a foodie. I am. You don't know. Cheesecake did not win the battle this weekend. I did not give in to it. I just, I knew that I would be home. I knew I'd be out here a little bit, but I knew I wouldn't be exercising or walking that much. So it's eat less, move more. And what you eat, it's gotta be, you know, it's gotta be quality, I guess. And I'm preaching to the choir when I say this: your protein, your vegetables, and your starch all in balance. All in balance. And I'll tell you, as I'm getting older, I'm noticing sugar for me and my body, it's yeah, there's a big payback. There's a big payback. So I've greatly reduced. I mean, like I said, I have my cheat day, but I have discovered that reducing that, you reduce that about 60-70%, and you will begin to feel a lot better. You know that candida feeds off that sugar. You know, that kind of a parasitical type of deal in your tummy. There's good and bad bacteria in there. We want to increase the good, eliminate or defray or push back that bad. So I'm not going to sit here and, you know, eat a celery stalk every day of my life. No, I'm going to enjoy a piece of cake once in a while, some, you know, my weakness of cheesecake. But for me, the key is once in a while. Anyway, you guys, we'll just continue on just for a little bit. And I enjoyed my dining experience. The ladies were very nice. They thought it was kind of unusual. This is why finally one of the young ladies came up to me and she says, "Why are you filming?" They gave me permission. And I explained to her, you know. She's like, "Okay." So I wrote it down for her. You know, the name of the channel. Anyways, let's get under here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. And under here, it smells like heaven. Oh, is that ever fragrant? I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for tuning in. subscribe, and send others my way if you can. And I will see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Bye, you guys.